Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Suzanne. Today's video is going to be on a smoky eye makeup look. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please subscribe and let's begin. First, I'm going to prime my skin and I'm going to be using this Hollywood Flawless filter by Charlotte Tilbury. This is in the shade number 4. I've been using it all over my face and I'm just going to blend it in with a brush. I really like that glowy, healthy base. Next, I'm going to use Stay Naked Concealer. This is from Urban Decay and I will list all the shades down below for you guys. I'm going to conceal my under eyes, chin, my nose, and I'm doing this before my foundation. I have this new technique that I've been using and that I've been loving. So I'm gonna use this Terracotta by GUERLAIN. This is a foundation that is a shade two shades darker than my skin tone, so I'm going to use it as a bronzer, but it's going to be covering as well. So I'm going to apply it on the cheeks, forehead, chin area, and I'm going to take this Fenty Pro Filter Glow Foundation and I'm just going to use a tiny bit and I'm going to mix everything. So I'm going to blend the concealer in first and I will move to the under eyes at the end. So if you want a medium coverage that it's really natural on the skin, it gives you the glow but it's not too cakey or heavy, this has been working for me beautifully. You can choose whatever you like, but this has been working for me really good. I don't have to apply foundation all over my face. And this concealer has been my favorite lately. It's really lightweight. It conceals really nicely and it doesn't get cakey under the eyes, so I've been loving that as well. Before I apply any powder, I'm going to use Rare Beauty. This is a liquid blush and this is in the shade Love. It's really a nice pink color. They're very pigmented, you guys, so you need a little bit, so a tiny bit goes a long way. And now I'm gonna set my under eyes, but before I do that, I always make sure that I don't have any creases under the eyes. So I'm gonna just dab my sponge on and on my skin, and then I'm gonna set. And this is the MERECIER translucent setting powder, and I'm using her puff as well. I'm just gonna set my face lightly with a big brush. I'm using the same translucent powder from MERECIER. I'm using Pretty Vulgar palette. I'm gonna use that light contour shade. It reminds me a lot of the Hoola bronzer by Benefit. It's very light in color, but it gives you that beautiful natural shadow. So I'm just gonna bronze and contour my face with this. Next, I'm going to use that warm pink color and I'm just going to apply as a blush just to set the Rare Beauty blush in place so it doesn't budge and it stays longer. Next, I'm using this beautiful, I haven't used it in a while, this is by COLOURPOP highlight and this is in the shade Spoon. It's very intense. I really like it. Today I'm going to use this VISEART palette. I will list the name down below. I got this one in my BoxyCharm. So I'm going to use MAC 217 with that light peachy color as my transitioning shade. You can use any brush, but this is what I found. It's a little bit tiny for the crease area, but it worked fine. And then I'm going to build that color up and I'm going to use another brown shade. So I'm going to use that cooler medium brown shade and I'm just going to apply the same way I did with this first one. These eyeshadows are really nice and they blend very nicely. I decided to warm up the look, so I'm grabbing another big fluffy brush and I'm taking that orangey brownie color just to kind of go over all the shades that I applied already and make it warm. Next, we're going to take it to the next level and I'm going to apply this dark blue color. I'm going to use a small, it's a fluffy brush, but it's very tiny. So I'm just gonna press the color on my lid and I'm not taking it any further than the crease. And I'm just gonna build the color up and I will blend at the end. So there are no fallouts with this shade at all. Like, I was impressed. The shades blended so nicely. Next, I'm going to take this shade and I'm just going to smudge it under the eyes. I'm not doing anything else under the eyes because it's really too much for me. Here I'm using the KVD Beauty, and this is the Alchemist, I think it's called, palette. I'm going to take that highlight. It has a blue shift to it. It's really, really pretty. And I'm just going to apply it in the inner corner, slightly to the lid, a little bit, not too much. Just, it opens up your eyes. It's not too dark. Next, I apply some mascara and I'm applying my lashes. They're from Lilly Lashes in the style Yes Queen. And here I'm using KVD lip liner. I'm just going to line up my lips. And I'm going with a gloss. This is from Marc Jacobs. This is in the shade Sugar Sugar. So yeah, this is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe for more videos and let me know down below what you want to see next. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.